Hey guys, I'm Corey with Advanced Custom Sound. This customer's Subaru Legacy XT is gonna get a full audio overhaul. I got all the gear laid out here to go over with you. In this series, I'm gonna tell you why we chose what we did and show you how to go from stock to fully tuned. Stick around, this is gonna be fun. Time to go over all the product and why we chose what we did. Me and this customer have countless hours into research and just comparing the different options. Super easy guy to work with, super happy to work with him. Hope I can work with him again after this. First thing, mids and highs. We went with the nuclear SQ tweeters from Ground Zero. These are super nice. They're loud and the quality is just amazing on these. So that's why we went with this series. The tweeters in the 3-inch mid-range are going in custom A-pillars. That'll be showing you how we make in the next few videos. And then obviously the 6.5s are gonna go in the front doors. For rear fill in the rear doors, we are gonna do the radioactives. The amps that are gonna power the front stage and the rear fill are gonna be the Uranium series amplifiers. These are an SQ amplifier from Ground Zero. 2 4-channels, as you see here. One's gonna power the left speakers, the other is just gonna power the right. So we get complete separation from left and right for the perfect stereo sound. I'll unbox one of these. These are mounting plates in this little paper bag here. Comes in a nice fleece bag. Nice amplifier, pretty hefty. It has 4-gauge inputs. Like I mentioned, 4 channels. This amplifier does 4 by 115 watts at 4 ohms, 4 by 185 at 4 ohms. It has built-in bandpass filters. Frequency response is 10 hertz to 70 kilohertz. The DSP we're using is the Ground Zero GZ DSP 6-10 SQ. SQ is sound quality, in case you didn't know. A lot of people around here don't know what that means. I haven't used this specific DSP yet, but I use the 4-8. Use it on motorcycles, cars. Super sick DSP. Software is amazing, super easy to use if you understand crossovers and all that. This one has wireless built in. That's what this little antenna is for. So you can use the app to tune it, or you can hook into the PC control USB right here. We got 10 channels output and 6 channels of input. Obviously 6-10, that's what that means. It also has coax in and optical in. And now it's time to talk about the bass. This is a Sundown Salt 8, rated at 8,000 watts RMS. If you've seen any of Sundown's amp dyno videos, you know it does more than that. We're actually mounting this on the roof with a surfboard rack. Totally kidding. It's getting a pretty custom layout inside, which you'll see in the next few episodes. Oh my God. It's not light at all. We'll go over the stuff in the box and I'll get rid of it. It has extra Allen set screws, bass knob cable, bass knob that tells you the temperature of the amplifier, whether the amp's in protect or not, and it has a clipping light on it. So you can see when your subs are distorting. And some people can't hear distortion. Brushed aluminum finish. I like how they got the logo on each corner and then the model number on each corner. So you can literally flip this any way. Let me show you what this is gonna be powering. These are Sundown ZV412s. RMS rating on these, I'm not sure, but we're putting 8K to 2 of them. I think it'll work out. Customer upgraded to a carbon cone, as you can see here. Pretty frickin' sweet. We can't just throw these in the trunk by themselves. They're not gonna sound good that way. We do have a custom box coming from Gately Audio. Sick boxes. We've used quite a bit of them. Super impressed, sturdy, always sound great. No complaints at all. Check them out. With great power comes great amounts of batteries. We're gonna be running an AGM in the front, 2 sodium 50 amp hours in the rear. And the powerhouse itself is this here alternator. This alternator is from Singer. Got a handwritten note from Mike Singer himself. Thank you, Mike. The max output of this alternator, 306 amps. This is gonna be supplying tons of power to this guy and these two here. So I got an isolator here from Limitless, and I have 3 SMD triple fuse blocks for power distribution. We're doing multiple runs of 1-aught speaker, or 1-aught power wire and ground wire. Got a 100-foot here. These are 50-foot rolls. This is T-Specs V10 OFC power wire. OFC is oxygen-free copper. I hope everyone knows what that means. The alternative is CCA, which is copper-clad aluminum. If you have ever seen fuse holders catch on fire, under hood plastic pieces catch on fire, or anything like that, it's probably CCA wiring. Don't get me wrong, you can have issues with oxygen-free copper as well if it's not installed right, but we don't have that problem here. All right, with that much bass, you need some sound deadening material. I'd imagine we're probably gonna use some spray foam. It helps out a lot. We're also gonna use 3 rolls of Sound Shield Massive. I'll pick one of them up, give you the specs on it. This is a tri-layer sound deadening material. You got the butyl, sticky stuff, the aluminum, and then you got the foam. This is their bulk roll. It's equal to about 4.5 of their standard rolls. Trying to get you the square feetage. 48.75 square feet, 4.5 millimeters thick. So yeah, got a ton of this to work with. That's actually gonna be our first step in all this. I'm gonna strip all the panels, lay all this sticky stuff, get this thing solid and ready for some killer sound. Stay tuned.